September is Love Your Library Month. Joined in studio this morning by Debbie and Annie. Morena, good morning. How are you both?
Very
Morena,
good. Thank you.
thanks.
Yes.
Good. Looking forward to a nice weekend.
Indeed.
Absolutely, cannot wait.
Fantastic. Now, Love Your Library, people think of the library as books. And of course, as we've already explored, there's so many other things that you're doing.
Yep.
And you've got a seed library. So not only do you do the weeding, but you do the whiting as well.
We do indeed. So we actually have a seed library starting up on the 25th of this month.
How does the seed library work? Because, I mean, normally you would go into the library, get a book, read it, and then take it back. Do you go and get a seed, plant it, and then take it back? How does it work? What's it all about?
So we can do that if you really want to.
Okay.
But what it is we're going to have a lot of seeds. You can donate seeds. You can come in and exchange seeds for seeds. And then if you plant things, they grow really well and you can harvest the seeds off them for future things.
Okay, I understand. So basically it's a bit of a swap shop, really, as much as anything for that kind of thing.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's not a seed bank. So people, like we're not banking seeds, but what we are trying to do is perhaps have more seeds to give out than normal.
Right.
So, it's like books. You've got to have some books on the shelves as well. So
You
we
do.
want to retain some and but slowly build up that collection of seeds so that we can release them into people's gardens.
Very
later on.
cool. So how did this all come about?
So that, I believe, was Eileen's
Yeah, it's about
brainchild.
3 years ago. I think Eileen and our library manager Jenny were having a discussion around, what the library could do and continue to contribute to the community. So it kind of made sense, especially at the moment with the cost of living, which has sort of been happening since the lockdowns, which the cost of living's been going up. How can we help people become more sort of self-sustainable?
Yeah.
So it's sort of come out of that question. And, we've got a lot of books on self-sustainability.
Yeah.
But, we're at that time now in history where we actually need to sort of look further back, back in the, 1930s Depression era where there was quite a deep recession. A lot of people learn from that. So it's all about, build your garden, build your own veggie garden, become more self-sufficient.
That's a really interesting thing because the advantage you've got as well, of course, is that somebody said, well, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to start. You can say, here, take that book. You can read the book as well and you can learn from it. And I guess
Absolutely.
it's just that confidence as much as anything.
Yeah, and we actually have an event coming up with one of our volunteers who's going to run a demonstration on how to actually plant seeds and get a successful growth rate.
Right.
So it is backing up what we're doing as well to really give you the knowledge and the skills you need to achieve this.
Very cool. So how do people go about being part of the seed library and what do they need to do?
Pop in and you can take a pack away, but if you would like more, then you do need to do some exchanging of seeds.
Right.
Yeah. And also the other thing too, it's not just Oamaru Public Library. We're actually, we're in partnership with Palmerston and Hampden Libraries as well. And Hampden's always been big on this stuff as well. They're a very tight-knit community.
Yeah.
And self-sustainability or sustainability in the community is a big topic there.
That is awesome. Anything else you'd like to add?
We gratefully accept donations, but only of legal seeds, please.
That's right. Nothing toxic or noxious or illegal.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, okay. So that's probably highlighted a few people going, I'm not going now.
Done.
No, that's really, really cool. So that is something that's not just for this month, though, is it?
It's available pretty much until the seeds run out.
Right.
So we'll just see how we go.
Cool. Excellent. If anybody wants any more information, just pop into the library or one of the libraries.
Yes, that's right. Or
Absolutely.
they can give us a ring on 03433 0850. And also all our contact details and information about this is actually on our website as well. So you just need to Google Waitaki District Libraries.
Great. What a great initiative. Thank you very much for popping in, and we'll catch up again next week.
Wonderful. Thank
Thank
you.
you.